Ka All Right Marwet People Federation ARMPF hakashi tarik no pra kalalit ban ujor sendan Shah Deputy Commissioner Karibhoy u Abhilash Baranwal hakabayade bat kajingjur jong kajingti kendo bean hakathan Marwet. Ka ARMPF kala ong baka ni karay banlit ujor sendan Shah Deputy Commissioner kalawan long hadin baka senjuk kam hashwa kaladep banlit ujor Shah Range Officer Katanat Forest Habernihan da kabakintu banle AA Mardor ban pensange ya kan kajingti kendo bean. Henry lakeno ba uni uhe obsar bat ko upis jong u kila pulam ban shime ke senjam persya ki brio ki badan kti hakan ka kam bean. Ka senjok hapo ka jingalam u presiden uba ring sok pedang bat u sekretari ukomol Shakwa kila penpau ka jing sengau kia ka bajur halur ka jing penjulor pathari ki lum ki wa bat ki klau ki batam ki badan hapo kathan ke bala pentar kong lut ki telong di ki baju penpoi syaki shnong ki thau ki badan marjan. Kila penpau ru baha kapor bajur slap lada ka jingsley ka kata ya ka sor Guwahati ki jing keno ki kidobet ya ka Meghalaya watla ki kam penjulor le ki beriu ki bakwan mento shiman da ka ba benrap ru baka di ka jingti kendo pathar kala kata jur ru ya ka Maryang. Hadin kani ka jinga kendo ya Deputy Commissioner ki nongalam ka ARMPF kila penpau ka jingsngo hun ya ka jingkular ka jong u ban ai ka jingkershan ban telakam ya ka jing ka ba ki nongshong shnong ka than Marwet ki ya kendo bat ba un pentip ru ya ka ni shiki bor bahalor ka Tanat Forest na ka benta ban pelong ka jinglet jurim.
Kalian ko orang malu people solution di waktu itu yang di bang labu kau letter ba angkani ka cutting waktu of window pasar sako buat malu jungi ba kadau kani ba of window jungi long ba ta ka saka Mariang jungi baca ang kalba tu long ba aduna ka jungi sendi ba nakapos ki matrai da potlap da di baslap asam ka kenok ya kayu ke jela jungi kamera jungi ba hamtam ya karat mewet jungi kenok ba gede ba Indo menyi hat Indo da ba dalam plat anak apa asam ba tu jadu tau nakileng tile ula ongi yang ilang ba ya rap saya keren satu saya seluruh keren satu sa di kota di partner so dia foto ni long ba katanya kami ni long ba kin ya rap yang ima nakileng long ba kin tu da kin ba jungi sini kan marwet basta ko nga ba ni sa banun ni so bitu ngalari ibang ranger officer ng ka army nila ay ka complain tambo ranger kan sin khatang hindi do hatu mantar kadang ya kata ka iyo do understand ARMPF all right Mara People Federation isu penat but ikan do bisi ula simkya ya ka complain jongi ke ba kapang jongi keseng baya kita ginong nakatega area Maiguli bagi high level ki ba otnoma telong ka disokya yang e kum kasang namar bapun sing yo e nakatega tempat menurut juni kadu syak kena ba kamtam na ki baro kamtam ya ka jelar tis ong he ba tarat nomor ki salong kumne kum tema te sakawe na kinong song snong ru ba ni hapaghat kum kaliyang kasang namar pa no manta ki otndeo telong kaum kaduna ba te hadin kaduna te baplik in platform ban le kum balik maki ban sina boring yo i mentah ga timra jungi nomor dron ti bakam dron pa ki sina da boring da te sakawe dangi I love bit bakin otndeo te ka jung tiro baki judi ro kanong saw te sakawe ka pollution ro kata ya kamariang te ya kata condemn ha minom I love bakin ot ikanik tndeo namar ka panjot ya kamariang. So today we came to DC office Nongpo. We are from All Right Marwet People Federation. We have raised an issue regarding earth cutting in our Right Marwet area. Because of the earth cutting, our wells are getting dry. We have facing a lot problem of flood, and soil erosion and all. Our lands are getting less fertile. Poor people and all, they don't have money to boring and all. They depend on wells, or because of the land cutting, lots of wells has been dry up. So that's our issue. So the DDC has told us that he forwarded this for the DC will forward our application to the forest department. After that, forest department, whatever they reply, DC gonna forward that report to us.
People just met me. They are from all Ride Marwet People Federation. They met and submitted one complaint regarding some alleged illegal earth cutting activities going on in Maithili and nearby villages. Per se, it falls in the domain of DFO territorial. So we have just received the complaint. We'll have to ascertain the facts. So I'll forward the matter to DFO and seek inquiry report from them to be able to proceed further. I'll have to check if it is still valid, because generally these orders issued under Section 163 are valid for 6 months. So we had issued orders during monsoon season, especially in light of the landslides that are triggered because of the uncontrolled earth cutting activities or unscientific earth cutting activities across the near the highway regions and PWD roads. So that order was passed with regard to controlling the landslides that may be triggered because of these earth cutting. But then whether they are still in operation or not, that we'll have to